party with roomfuls of laughter. 10,000 tons of ice cream.
There is strawberry syrup on top and underneath, and then this is strawberry white chocolate shavings on top of the whipped cream, on top of the ice cream. And I've already got whipped cream all over my fingers. Not a bad thing. I've made such a mess of this already, I had to ask for napkins from the server. I feel like I've made a dent in this, but I'm only about a half an inch down from the top. A nice little difference in the texture between the milkshake and the whipped cream and the white chocolate strawberry shavings on top. This is $14 and I'm not sure I can finish this. Whew. I've got whipped cream absolutely everywhere. Do I have something there? What? Other side? What? Well, I made it almost all the way to the bottom. Almost, but I surrender. I give up.